Anyone that's ever lived in Texas knows that a functioning air conditioner is essential. So who do we have to thank for inventing this comfort? Willis Carrier is credited with designing the first modern air conditioning system. In 1902, Willis Carrier was standing on a train platform in Pittsburgh when he realized that he could dry air by passing it through water to create fog, which would then allow him to control the moisture and humidity of the air. Using this concept, Carrier invented a system to wash and humidify or dehumidify air. And with that, modern air conditioning was born.